Soil is essential to all life on Earth. For our project here, we were working with Colombia-based NGO to find a way to crush organic goat waste in order to ensure that it can be incorporated into compost and the nutrients can be cycled. This here is a clip from the Roja family's farm. This is a family of farmers in rural Colombia that we were working with over the course of this past year to develop a solution to large amounts of goat, rabbit, and sheep manure that cannot be effectively incorporated into the compost as the pellets take a long time to decompose. It's a beautiful spot, and in order to make something effective for the context of the situation, we designed a ball mill style crusher. So this is a very rugged design that can be taken apart and screwed back together, can be replaced if any of the parts ever break. Our big priorities with the project were to ensure that all parts used for construction were easily accessible on site and that anything could be maintenanced or fixed on site, as well as a simple assembly. You can see me here putting the machine together, rigging up the chain, and then loading is pretty simple as well. On our design that we left with the Rojas, there was a hatch door that they can load, fill it with manure, rocks, and then all of that material tumbles together. And the crushing power of the rocks is actually what pulverizes the goat manure. Once this manure has a larger surface area from being crushed, the decomposition time drops dramatically. With our current design, we're getting about 1.8 pounds per minute, which on the Roja family's farm, they produce about 100 pounds of manure per month. And so this translates into once or twice per month, the family will have to pedal the machine for about an hour or two to work through all of the waste that they have. Once ground, the manure can then be composted, and within about a month, the farmers can expect to be using that compost and recycling the nutrients of the goat waste back into growing food for themselves and the animals. This design was completed through what's called a co-creation process, in which our community partners, the Roja family of farmers, were deeply involved in our design decision making and really helped guide much of the process that our team worked through. So every decision was verified and validated by a member of the Roja family to ensure that our prototypes were meeting their needs. Through this process, we developed the novel concept of a bicycle-powered ball mill for manure crushing. And this machine can be brought to farms all around the world whenever manure is unable to be composted due to either the compaction of pellets or just an exceedingly long decomposition time. Crushing accelerates decomposition by increasing surface area. So this machine can be leveraged and utilized wherever that problem arises. Soil depletion is a very serious issue with the developing climate crisis, and small-scale solutions like this that can be applied at the ground level are a really important place to start.